one of the things that I've seen people's perceptions about what MBD is that it's a solid with a jumble of annotation entities piled on top of it. And this may be, your first experience that you got from receiving a model like this and bringing it up in your CAD system that wasn't really prepared to handle those presentation states. So I'm expecting that suppliers are going to generate their own views specific to manufacturing and inspection operations, kind of like how drawings are used today. So when people say the drawing is going away, it doesn't mean that there's not going to be a replacement that can function quite the same way. It just means that it's going to be in a data set that's still completely interconnected. So another example of a view, this might be a view created by the supplier. It could even be a section view. And whatever is necessary to help communicate the details, there's no reason not to generate those intermediate drawing-like work products. So they can also include reference geometry like points and center lines, etc. And those are defined associatively to the authority model data. So for some parts, this type of geometry can be important to efficient programming of manufacturing and inspection. I'm thinking of things like points as a way to send that off to a drilling operation. And so if the data set doesn't come with points where you need them from your customer, you're able to add those things. And again, MBD provides full traceability of all these back to the authority data set in ways that drawings can't.
Just to add to this, like John said, we can customize and tweak these different presentation states and different views. At a minimum, we have to fully define the part. But as you start to work with your, manufacturing and quality departments, you can start to customize these views or generate new ones, or we call them derivatives. It might be a totally different file that gets generated that can be tailored to your specific needs at your enterprise. So there really is a lot of flexibility here.